Welcome to this tutorial on how to change your Google profile picture avatar. In this video, we will go through the steps to update your Google account picture easily. Follow along to make sure you don't miss any detail. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. Make sure you are signed into your Google account. You can check if you're signed in by looking at the top right corner. If you see your profile picture or your initials, you're already signed in. If not, click on the Sign In button and enter your Google account details. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. A small menu will appear. Select the option that says Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account settings page. On the Google account page, click on the Personal Info tab on the left side menu. Scroll down to the section called Basic Info. Here, you will see your current profile picture. Click on your profile picture. A new window will pop up. In this window, you can choose to upload a new photo or select a photo from your Google Photos. To upload a new photo, click on Upload and select a picture from your device. Make sure the image is clear and represents you well. After selecting your image, adjust the cropping tool if needed. Once you're happy with the image, click on Done. Your new profile picture will now be updated. It may take a few minutes for the changes to appear across all Google services. That's how you change your Google profile picture avatar. Thank you for watching this tutorial.